The Palestine Equestrian Club was once a place where children came to find joy, confidence, and healing. In the heart of the West Bank, under occupation and hardship, this simple stable was a haven where kids connected with horses, learned to ride, and experienced the magic of feeling light, unburdened, and fully alive. But in January 2024, the entire facility was destroyed. Stables were flattened, equipment wrecked, horses scattered. The safe space was gone overnight. We did not give up. Thanks to a wave of love and support, we were able to lay the foundations for a new stable for the horses and a welcoming space for the community. The spirit is still alive, but the rebuild is only half done. Now, we need your help to finish what we started. We're raising $30,000 to complete the stable, replace equipment, and make sure the horses and the children who love them have a safe and lasting home. Please stand with us. Share this message. Donate if you can. Let's rebuild not just a stable, but a sanctuary.